Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be on this unit that I got from an Amazon seller by the name of Royal Impressions. I could not wait to install this unit because of the color. I love the highlights on this unit. So we are going to be doing start to finish styling, but before that, let's get into the unboxing. So Royal Impression was kind enough to send over one of their wear and go glueless wigs, and it came in this yellow and green bag. Included was a nude wig cap as well as a custom Royal Impression melting band. So some of the specs of the unit is it is a 9x6 HD closure. It has bleached tiny knots, it's pre-plucked and it's pre-cut. Inside it has 2 combs and a detachable adjustable strap. It is in the color 1B30 highlight ombre. It's a 12A body wave and it is 28 inches. So the first thing that I did was I took the straps of the wig and I adjusted it to my head because I wanted to make sure the wig was snug when I put it on. To me, that makes it easier when you're trying to lay down the lace. So taking the wig dealer spray, I sprayed the lace on the hairline and blow dried on hot heat setting while pushing down the lace with the end of the tail comb, and I continued to do that until the whole entire front was laid down. Then I took the tail comb and I created a C part, and I also parted out a small triangle in the front, and that is going to be for baby hair, and we are not going to touch that when we are curling. I then used the wax stick to lay down the hair and the flyaways before hot combing the hair in place. Now that the hair is laid in place the way I want it, I can see the vision of my side C part. Now I'm going to start curling my hair. I am taking like medium-sized chunks and I am curling away from my face on this side. Once I got to the top is when I started to kind of go forward and backward, because I wanted to create volume, because this hair has a very natural density. So when I got to the top is where I wanted all of my curls to come towards the front. More so in the back, I kind of went backwards. But again, my curls are going frontwards and backwards on this side to create more density. Once you are completely finished curling your hair, we are going to move forward to the next step, which is doing the baby hair. Okay, so I'm gonna cut at an angle, and then I'm going to take the Gorilla Snot Glue, and we're going to take little by little because this Gorilla Snot Glue is very messy. However, it is the most amazing thing for molding your baby hairs, I promise you. While it gets hard in the beginning, it is still soft and moldable, and it does not get hard to the point where it just feels like unnatural, if that makes any sense. I don't know how to describe it, but since I've been using this, I do not want to use any other things for my baby hairs when it comes to my wigs. But this is basically the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for all the specs and my first impressions. Okay, so we're back, and this is my finished look. I love the way it came out. I did go in and finger comb her a little bit, well, a lot of it, and I've just been taking pictures and videos and kind of just playing with her so much. So I think she's holding up pretty well for everything that I've been doing in the last hour and a half. So let's get into the specs. This unit is from Royal Impressions, but it is an Amazon seller. Okay, so it is an Amazon seller, which means you're gonna get that fast shipping, and it is affordable. We all love affordable units. Okay, this is a 9x6 pre-cut lace closure. It is a glueless wig, and it is the color is 1B/30, so it's a natural black, and then the 30 is the brown color that you see in between. And I feel like this is the perfect unit for someone who is afraid of color, or someone who doesn't want to commit to, like, you know, a full head of color. This is going to be perfect for you. This unit is actually 28 inches, so when I straighten it out in the front, it hits me at the bottom of my stomach, and in the back it hits me in the middle of my butt, so it is pretty long. I would say if you are someone who doesn't like silky hair, this is not the unit that you are going to add oils to, because that's going to make it ultra silky and ultra shiny. This is the type of unit, like, you know, you blow dry her. If you want to add texture and a little bit of volume, you would blow dry her. I would say the density on this unit is very natural. Being that this is body wave, I feel like adding curls was the best decision, and I think that it came out really, really nice. I love the lace. It was very, very, very natural looking, and I did not have to do a lot for it to look natural, so I really do love the lace. So I think this is a beautiful unit. For the price, I would recommend it if you are someone who is in a rush, or someone who doesn't have a lot of money and you want a little bit of color. This is the unit for you. This is for the simple girl who wants a little razzle dazzle without doing the most. Okay, so I think this is a great unit. And if you are trying to save coins, this is the unit for you. I am going to have it linked down in the bottom bar for you. Again, this is an Amazon seller, so you're going to get that wig really, really quick in the mail. Okay, and it's straight to the point. You get just a few items, not this hocus pocus stuff, you know, to distract you from what you actually want, the wig. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to have everything linked out in the bottom bar. Tell me, which girl are you? Are you the girl who just likes black? Are you the girl who wants to add a little razzle dazzle without doing the most, so you add a little bit of streaks? Or you that girl that doesn't mind color and you're gonna go all the way? Which girl are you? Let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
If you really care, pussy nigga, write a letter. Ryan solo and I'm still in the group. Biggest in my